Hello everyone, and we're back. There's a new tool set that I recently got from Walmart.com. So I can work on my front suspension on my Ford F-250. And I could probably use it on other stuff as well. This turned out to come out for $54. $54 and free shipping. Comes in a nice case. Comes with this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Looks like a good buy, better than renting it at a place and they charge you $120 to rent it in as a deposit, but you still get your money back. And it's starting to rain outside, and now my dogs are all scared. This is chocolate. Chocolate. Take a look. This one's Bud. I call him Bud Baca. That's Rancho. He was a stray. He was a stray, and this one was gonna get put down because they were just using her to breed, and they couldn't get no use for her anymore. So we saved her from a sad ending. Then we got Luna and Peanut right there. Those two sisters. And hopefully I'll be able to work later on today. Later on today before, I guess, because hopefully it won't be raining all day today. So there you have it. Some of my dogs and this tool set for doing ball joints and ball bearings and I guess other things that need to be pressed on your vehicle. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.